What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Eric, and today we're going to talk about streaming to multiple platforms at the same time. This could be an absolute game changer for your online business. If you already stream maybe to YouTube, or maybe you stream on Twitch, or maybe you stream on Facebook Live, and you're thinking, if I stream to multiple platforms at the same time, I'm building my audience in all these platforms, but I'm just doing one video, so to speak, or one stream. And that is just a fantastic way to grow. So we're going to talk about how to do it. And the best website I found, and it works really well, I've had very few issues, RESTREAM.io. Go to RESTREAM.io is the first step. Second step, if you don't already have one, make an account. Here you have sign up. Once you've signed up, we can sign in. So once you're logged in, you're going to have some options here. You can mess around with these, but the only one that I'm going to talk about today, and the only one that I really use, stream with OBS. You can also vMix, other programs as well. So hopefully the program that you use will correspond with this. If you have to be using some kind of a program, you can't just be streaming directly on Twitch or directly on YouTube. There are so many great programs like OBS that give you more flexibility in your stream anyway. So assuming you're using one of those, this is something that you can do. So stream with OBS, which is what I use, and we'll get to OBS in a minute, but starting, we're just going to click on this. Once you're here, this is where your stream is going to appear. This is kind of your main hub now, and all of your little platforms, you know, your Twitch, your Facebook Live will appear here on the right-hand side. You can see I have two. I have my Hum Baby Baseball YouTube, and I have my Hum Baby Baseball Twitch. So I stream to these at the same time. How did I add these? With this add channel button. Right now with my plan, I can only have two. If you get a paid, it's completely free. So if you're just looking to stream to two, it's completely free. If you want more, which I plan to eventually get to, I'll add more with the paid plan. But you can see all these platforms. It's just a ton right here. But you would just click the one you want. It'll have you sign in, and then it'll appear over here on the side. So now we're on YouTube, and we're going to act like we're going to go live. So if one of your platforms is YouTube, this is something that you have to do on YouTube in order to connect it to your Restream. So once we're here, you can schedule a stream, or you can just go straight to stream. We'll schedule a stream, and you can just create new or reuse settings if you've already done one. I'm going to reuse setting and just put in everything you have. This is going to be I'm just going to say San Francisco Giants. This is personally my channel. It's a baseball channel. San Francisco Giants versus Arizona Diamondbacks post game. I'll put game 2. This is game 2. And this is fine for me. I'm going to jump back over to Restream now to make sure that these are both different tabs, but the same, you know, they're the same internet here, the same browser is up here, just different tabs. So that way they can kind of connect to each other easier. So you have Restream here. Now, when I click on this little tool icon down here at the YouTube one, and I click edit settings, I can go up here to create event. I should see my event, and there it is. This is not the right one. Make sure you click the right one. San Francisco Giants versus Arizona Diamondbacks post-game game 2. I click that. It's going to pick up everything you wrote here in the description, the title, the category, the privacy, and you just click save. And it's ready to go. So as soon as I go live on my OBS, once I set that up, this will kick this live. And also for the Twitch, same thing, but this time you don't have to preset things up on Twitch. You can just click this here, edit settings, and just write whatever you want. Game 2. There is no, in Twitch, there's no all these, you know, privacy settings and all that. It's just this. You just click save. So we're pretty much ready to go now, except we got to jump into OBS and do a little something to make sure that OBS, when we click start streaming on OBS, it's going to connect here to these two, and then these two are going to send out all your streams to all your different platforms. So let's jump into OBS now. Okay, here we are at OBS, and what you want to do is you got your scenes and everything. You want to come over here and click on settings, and you can see settings down here at the bottom. Going to click that. It could be it could be the second from the bottom there. We're going to go over here to stream on the left, and then you're going to see you're going to change this to Restream. You probably have it on something different like YouTube. You got your Twitch, you got your Facebook Live, but we're going to go to Restream, and then you're going to click connect account. Mine is already connected, but I'm going to actually disconnect it so that I can reconnect it and show y'all just the process. It's simple. I'm sure you can figure it out. Simply log into Restream. That's pretty much it. So you type your password, you type your login, your email and your password. Once you're logged in, You click allow, you wait for it to authenticate, and then you click OK. You click apply and OK, and all these windows may pop up. What you have here is just your settings here, your stream. You can X that one out. I accidentally put it behind. You can just click the X button there, and you can get rid of that if you want. This is just going to show your stream information. I usually just get rid of that and just keep the chat window. The chat window is pretty cool. You can actually type in this, and it'll send it to all the different platforms. So that's your chat. Very important to have that. And you can also see what everyone's saying, not just on YouTube, but on all the platforms that you're streaming to. So that's pretty much it. And once you have all this set up, you're just going to go over here and click start streaming, and make sure that you have, the right scene that you want. Maybe something that says starting soon. So when starting soon is going, you can make sure that everything is working properly before you actually start your show. So that's pretty much it. And you click start streaming. Once you've clicked start streaming, then you can click back over here. I mean, hopefully you don't have some kind of like starting soon picture or something, because you have to wait a few seconds here to make sure that your restream will start where it says offline. It'll say sending stream, and then it'll say online. You can also click over here, make sure that you see your stream right here show up in the YouTube window. You can, right click reload. Sometimes you have to reload it just to get it going. But once you've done all that, so, you'll figure it out. But basically, you should just click start streaming. It should just go. But you do want to just click over here and make sure everything looks good. While maybe you have some kind of starting soon, on your OBS, and then boom, hit your scene, hit your intro, and boom, you go. So that's pretty much it. It'll say online where it says offline. It'll say online on both of those, and that's how you know you are freaking live. And you'll be live on as many platforms as you want, as long as your internet speed and your can handle it, and your computer can handle it. You do have to have somewhat of a powerful computer. It doesn't have to be insane. Just you need a good computer, decent internet, decent upload speed, and this should be no issue. So let me know down below. Hopefully this works out. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. More tips on YouTube, tips on growing your online, talk show or your online presence here on YouTube or whatever it may be. Just keep an eye out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Eric, and we'll talk to you next time.